Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Travel with Tonian, and today I'm going to be taking you on a full tour of Minerva House in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. In my previous video, I gave you a full overview of Minerva House, my whole experience there. If you haven't checked it out, please do so before watching this video. Now here's a little bit about Minerva House. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom beachfront villa right here in Treasure Beach, and it is fully staffed. So if you're looking for a nice little getaway, this is the place you must check out. It's great for family trips and small group events as well. I'm going to take you through each room, each space, the bedroom, the bathroom, the outdoor areas, and a little detail about what makes this villa so special and what I personally love about this villa. So you're going to want to watch this video till the end. So let's get straight into it. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Travel with Tonian, and I'm here at this beautiful villa in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, called Minerva House, and it is a 4-bedroom villa, luxury, boutique, good open space, and I love it. This is my first time staying here, and I really love how beautiful this place is. I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of the property, so let's go. Look at this villa, like it's so cool. Look at the amazing lights. Listen, this is a beautiful villa. It's just, look at this is the sitting room. Lots of space for family to come and sit down, relax. You have your TV, entertainment area, your views. We're gonna get to that. But here is the kitchen right here. Really nice open space concept. You have your nice gas stove, your coffee maker, your toaster, your microwave, all the nice stuff. And you have a view out here. So you can get to watch TV and cook as you want. A nice fridge. And of course, the views. We're gonna get to that in a minute. But let's take you to room number 1. Oh, I forgot. There's a nice dining table here. But let's take you to room number 1, which is here. You have your closet space, your safe, your drawers, and this is it. Nice and cozy, a queen size bed, looks comfortable. And of course, I love these big arched windows. You can see outside. Yeah, it's just nice. You see outside here of the property. This is the bathroom. Nice. Decorated, your wash shower. Oh, this wash shower is like really good. Rain shower is really unique. Nice. This is it. I like it. Let's go on to room number 2. Here, space is so roomy and airy. I like that. Here you have your closet space, your safe. And this is the second room here. Again, what I love about this space is just, it's roomy, it's spacious. The breeze just passed through all the windows here. So this is it. Really nice. Look at the bed here. Nice. It's a king size bed. And you have a nice view outside. We're going to get to that in a little while. But this is it. And this is your bathroom here. This is it. Wow, look at that. Your nice rain shower here. Your outdoor shower, which I think everybody likes. So this is an outdoor shower right here. Really nice. You're in the jungle. So let's go back outside here. And I said I was gonna leave the views for last, but let's get to the views. So this is the views here. Outside, oh my God, this is so amazing. Look at this. This is good for an event, a function, and you have the nice view of the pool area right here and the sea. Isn't that amazing? And you can actually walk back here. That's the kitchen that we're coming from. This is the living room, and you have lots of seating space out here. This is the living room. We're going back in the living room. This is it. Really spacious and nice. I like the high ceilings. And we are going to room number 3. Yeah. This is it. This is the bathroom though. The toilet space, the bathroom area, the rain shower. And the theme here is outdoor. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. And you have the views of the sea. Really nice and cozy. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at that. Beautiful, eh? Very beautiful. Let's go into the other room here. This is the room, the third room. And this one is spacious. The bed is actually facing the sea. And of course, you have views all over. Here, out here. Nice, big, bright windows. And you can go out here again and feel the breeze. Feel the breeze. Look at this. We're gonna get to the pool in a minute, but I have one more room to show you before we get there. This is the view. That's Billy's Bay. Really nice. And we're gonna head back to the other room. I just wanted to show you guys the views because I think the views is what sells this property, and also how well designed this place is. So this is the fourth bedroom. This has two double-sized beds. You have a view of outside. Look at that view. Really nice views everywhere. This is the bathroom. Really nice. It has a tub, so it's like a kid's room. One thing you may say, you know, how come the rooms don't have any burglar bars? You don't have to worry, you're in St. Elizabeth, you're safe. There's actually a groundsman that lives on property, so you're safe. Nobody troubles you here in St. Elizabeth. That was one of the things that I was concerned about, but I never had an issue. So we're gonna go back outside. This is outside, and look at it. The views are amazing. Look at this. You have all of this to yourself, all of this. So we're gonna go to the pool. We're gonna walk to the pool area. And look at this. No, it's a small pool, but no worries. You're just here to relax and enjoy. But this is it. This is the pool, and it overlooks the sea. Isn't that amazing? I think the space is well decorated and just looks really nice. Look at this. I would love to wake up and see the sunset here every day. This is beautiful. Look at it. And here is space where you can make your jerk chicken, whatever you're jerking, right here, your pan. And you have a nice view out here of the beach. You can just sit here and lounge. All right, guys, we are heading to the beach, which the property have beach access there. You see it there? That's the beach. Not for swimming, but just relaxing and just walking and just chilling. So they have steps here that you can take to go to the beach. It's not bad. But the sunset here is amazing. It's a bit overcast now, but when we came yesterday, it was so amazing. Sorry I never got to take any videos, but yeah, it was so beautiful. So we are heading to the beach. As you can see, hurricane did damage to the beach, and they're trying to plant back some of the stuff here. They built this nice area here so you can relax and enjoy. All right, guys, that is the full tour of Minerva House. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do for all your Jamaican travel content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.